Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Home Decorators Collection ceiling fan, either a Celene or another model, and the remote is not working or the fan is not responding to the remote, and you need to repair or reconnect the fan to the remote. Now, this is a real easy thing to do. All we need to do is we're going to have our fan turned off from power, disconnected from power, and we're going to come into the remote control battery area, and we're going to go ahead and just open the battery container, and then you'll see there's a switch, and this can be on 0 or 1. What we want to do is we want to make sure it is switched up to 1. And once it's on 1, then we can go ahead and restore power to our fan. Now, within a minute of restoring power to our fan, then we want to come over here to find this pairing button here on the right, and it might say learn, depending on the controller. Sometimes it says learn, sometimes it says pairing. You'll just hit the learn button or the pairing button, and once that happens, any fans within the range that have been powered on should now associate themselves with this remote. When that happens, if there's a light on the fan, the light will flash and the fan will turn on, and it should now respond to this remote. If it's still not working, you might want to change the batteries. I'll put a link in the description to where you can get batteries, and if the remote is just not working at all, I'll also put a link in the description to where you can get a new remote. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.